Do's
Makeup.
and don't.
Do
Moisturizer
foundation.
and prime. Before foundation, do match foundation to overall body tone. Don't apply foundation. To bare skin, don't match foundation to neck.
To
2.
use a concealer
that's 1 to 2 shade lighter than your foundation. Don't conceal under eye without using corrector first. 3. Powder. Set foundation with setting powder. Don't use foundation powder to set makeup. 4. Contour. Do use a taupe matte bronzer. Don't use a warm-toned bronzer. 5. Highlighter. Do highlight high points of cheeks, nose, and cupid bows. Don't highlight apples of cheeks if you have a large pores. 6. Blush. Do apply blush on apple of cheeks. Don't apply blush below apple of cheeks. Blush colors according to your skin tone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video at Beauty Hacks.